I, Soham Dutta, am under Prakash Ranjan sir's guidance in Impulse JEE during my IIT JEE preparation for the last 2 years. Sir's method of teaching is both innovative as well as truly effective in providing the students clarity as well as command in physics. Sir discusses every topic right from the basics up until the most advanced level that could possibly be required for JEE level. Sir gives equal importance to all topics as well as takes constant feedback from our students to know if we are facing any difficulty in tackling a particular subtopic. Sir discusses several paper solving insights with us and shows us multiple approaches to solve the same problem. He gives us ample practice on every topic and shares useful observations that come in handy during the examination. Sir has guided me throughout these 2 years of my JEE preparation and has taught me how to balance all 3 subjects, especially when my marks in one particular subject was low. Sir has constantly motivated me and has made efforts to clear all my doubts, and therefore whatever improvement I have made in physics over the course of these 2 years, I can attribute to Prakash sir. I would therefore recommend everybody to listen to sir's teaching very closely and stick to the syllabus if they want to improve their physics marks greatly. Thank you.